Once again.
What's going on, new subscribers, and what's going on, Evil Street Shark fam? If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2011 Honda Civic Si that is bagged. I made a bunch of videos on the airlift performance, air suspension. There wasn't really any videos on YouTube about it, so I decided to make a bunch of videos on it. So this channel is going to be mainly about, of course, this car and the daily life of my life every single day, and car meets, car shows, different events that's coming up, etc., etc. I'm excited about that. But as you guys can see, this is like a wide angle. You guys can probably see more. The quality is a lot better, is a lot clearer, which is pretty freaking dope. I'm excited about. So I've been testing out this new DSLR that I got. It looks freaking amazing. I love the wide angle lens. Compared to my old camera, it's like more of like a point and shoot type of camera, not more of like a wide angle picking up everything. All-in-one camera is more of like a point and shoot. I really like this camera. It looks really dope. I also got a gimbal too, so I got a DSLR lens and a gimbal. So I put some clips of this car with the gimbal to test out and show you guys. I didn't upload yesterday because I've been messing with it, checking out the different settings on this new camera, testing everything out. My main thing was trying to get this camera before Honda Day this weekend. The weather is looking iffy, but we will see how it goes. But I'm excited. So let's get to the footage. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel because more dope quality content is going to be on the way, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the channel. Shout out to the Evil Street Shark fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.